Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a photo in Canva. So all you need to do is just go to Canva and you need to make sure that you have a pro subscription because the background remover doesn't have in the original one, so you need to have subscriptions. So you need to go to presentation, blank presentation, and then upload photo, whatever you want to upload. Like in my case, I'm just gonna use this one. Wait for it, and then click that one and position it in your page. So when it's positioned, you need to duplicate it. Oh, where is it? Edit photo and duplicate it. And then you need to remove the background of this one. Just wait a bit. Yeah, a bit more. And then click apply. And then you need to go to another photo and adjustment. Select all and you choose how blur you want. I'm just gonna choose this one. So after that, click the photo you want to put and drag it there. You need to position it really good. And there you have it. As simple as that, you have blurred the background and you already have it in your Canva. So I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye.